Here's Al crawling back into his cave.
Not doing very good.
Is it better to go through backwards?
Yeah. This way? Look, it's like sandy.
Yeah. It's like sidewards. Went through here and that's how we got up. We're in a little cave of sorts right now. And then we go down through here.
My ass is telling me I need to.
Alright, so you can't really see it. We got over the canyon. We came up through here, right up across this rock, and through into that chamber. And down, back into the canyon. You see pretty steep walls. We hiked up this rock pile, up through here, and up through these rocks. Stay along the left side there. One of the wee trickier parts, we had to climb over that boulder there to keep going. This is like a third of the way up. We just climbed up from the valley floor. Oh shit, the sun's kind of on it, but let's see. Yep, it's that rock. Ian's finger is literally on it. That one illuminated by the sun. We're up there. I think we went up there and a little to the left.